Bitcoin so far has seen a nice bounce, but at this specific moment, guys, Bitcoin is testing quite an important level in the Bitcoin charts, which I want to have a talk about in today's video. Was this the Bitcoin bottom, and can Bitcoin continue this bull cycle where we eventually are going to see new all-time highs, or is it still possible for Bitcoin to see a bounce right here and eventually to roll over and even surpass these lows that we have been setting right here? Guys, all about that in today's video. We will have a look at the Bitcoin chart. We are going to have a look at the regular financial markets, at the stablecoins dominance chart. We are going to have a look at the funding rates. We are going to have a look at this chart, which is going to be very, very interesting. So guys, with that being said, let's dive straight into it. Before we are zooming on the price of Bitcoin, guys, make sure to scroll below this video and to hit the thumbs up button. That is very much appreciated. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Then guys, let's start going to this chart, the normal chart where we have a look at. And like I've been saying in my previous videos, guys, we are seeing a bigger falling wedge formation. We had the dip right there. I've published a video right here when Bitcoin was testing this support level, saying that as long as we are holding above this support level, this is going to be a local bottom and we can see a nice breakout right here. Well, we got that breakout, especially once we broke above that 20 daily moving average. Also one level I've been pointing out with you guys. Let me bring it up right here. The 20 daily, we got rejected right here. We got another rejection right there. And the moment we broke above this level, we got a nice pump. And so far, Bitcoin actually broke quite some key levels. So Bitcoin is actually looking very bullish at this specific moment. In the shorter term time frame, everything is all looking good. Something that we also have been expecting, like I've been saying in my previous videos, February most likely is going to be a green month, as we have seen in all the Februaries in the historical price action of Bitcoin. There have been only 2 red months. So most likely we will be seeing a green month, and I still think that. So this is still supporting that scenario that we are going to see a nice bounce or rally in the month of February. The most important question is going to be whether that bounce can result in a next uptrend surpassing previous all-time highs, or whether that bounce actually can result in a retracement. So that is going to be very important. Then guys, first of all, I want to show you this level that Bitcoin is testing right now. As of this moment, it was former resistance. Afterwards, it has been back tested as support, and the moment we are breaking below it, right now we are testing this level. So this is the first obstacle Bitcoin is facing, which is right now at this level approximately 42,800. Can we break above that level? Then we have the next major level coming in right here at approximately 45,700. That is a very important level as well. And afterwards, if we can break above that level, we have of course the 21 weekly EMA, which is maybe when we are touching that level, aligning with that 45,700. Right now it is slightly higher. Right now it is at 46,600. Guys, this is going to be an important level. If Bitcoin were to get a rejection from this level, then that would be a bearish sign around these levels. That would be a bearish sign showing us that we might see a further drop below these lows. That is definitely still possible. If Bitcoin wants to really become more bullish and really wants to show us more evidence that we are returning back into a uptrend, we have at least see a weekly close above the 21 weekly EMA. And most likely we want to see a back test like we have seen right here as well. We got a nice weekly close above this level. Then we had a nice rally. We got a back test of the 21 weekly EMA, and then we saw a continuation. That is a very strong sign in Bitcoin. But as of now, we are not yet seeing that. So we have to be still slightly cautious within this price action, because there is no evidence right now claiming that this was the final bottom for Bitcoin after finishing a potential bull market correction and continuing surpassing previous all-time highs. However, it is definitely also possible. Then guys, let's dive into the shorter term time frame. Before I'm going to show you what I'm looking at in the shorter term time frame, guys, I quickly want to remind every single one of you that you got 2 days left to claim a major bonus over on the Bybit exchange, a bonus of up to $4,100 and a 30% discount on your fees, only available with my affiliate link down below this video. So for all the traders interested in that, you can find my affiliate link down below this video. Then guys, when we have a look at the shorter term time frame right here in Bitcoin, then I personally want to remain bullish as long as the funding rates are slightly negative. So right now, even though we have a slightly positive funding, it is still below neutral, which is 0.03%. As long as the majority of the people out there right now are still shorting Bitcoin, that is the period that I'm still going to be bullish in the shorter term time frame, because a lot of traders most likely are in disbelief. They think this is a failed rally that can only push the price up higher. So this is one thing I want to point out. If we go to the momentum indicators right here on the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that we are quite overbought right now. If we go to the daily time frame, we are seeing some interesting development. That is that the relative strength index is potentially forming a hidden bearish divergence. We have a high right here. We right now surpassed that high in the relative strength index. We haven't done so in the price. This is just a minimal warning signal, guys. Just something to take in mind. Increases the likelihood that we are going to see a retracement right here rather than a new uptrend for now. However, this is no confirmation yet. We have to see how Bitcoin is going to develop itself over the coming weeks, potentially months, and then we can say with more clarity what we can expect with Bitcoin, whether this was the bottom and we can enter a new uptrend, or whether Bitcoin is still going to sweep those lows. Quick reminder to everyone, guys, if we have a look at the monthly returns, February is often, most of the time, a bullish month. But when we have a look at March, March is most of the time a negative month. So I think it is increasing the probability that next month we are going to see a bearish month. Just something I want to give you guys a heads up about already right now. This month, most likely, we will end up positive. Next month, the chances are increasing that we are going to see a further correction, at least a correction from the potential bounce that we have seen during this month of February, and potentially even in the bearish scenario, seeing a further retracement and sweeping those lows. Right now it's too early to say what is the more likelier scenario. I think it is very important that we are actually preparing for both scenarios. Either this can be an uptrend, right now we are in disbelief, or this also can be a retracement and we are sweeping the lows right there, and then further in time, further in 2022, starting that new uptrend. Both scenarios as of right now are possible. There is no clear confirmation yet of which one it is going to be. If we have a look at SPX is still looking okay, still above that ascending channel, very important. That is a good sign for Bitcoin as well. USDC dominance is also breaking support right now of this rising wedge formation, also very bullish for Bitcoin, showing us that the trend right now is that stablecoins, or actually that the liquidity in the markets is leaving stablecoins going into Bitcoin. So guys, this is all looking bullish right now. Short term, I'm very bullish on Bitcoin. Funding rates are negative. People are in disbelief. Very important. A lot of charts are confirming that. However, it is not yet clear whether this bounce is going to be a retracement or whether this bounce can result in the next uptrend. But okay, guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's analysis, guys. If so, scroll below this video, smash up the like button, very much appreciated. For all the traders out there, guys, you got 2 days left to claim this major deposit bonus over on Bybit, up to $4,100 and 30% discount on your fees, only with the affiliate link down below. Then guys, I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.